I think Sami is hungry, so we have something for him. Kinder Surprise and Kinder Joy. We'll see which one he's gonna pick. Hello, Mr. Sami.
Hello.
I have something for you, and you will pick just one today, and we'll see which one you want to eat. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it and open it. This one, yeah?
Yeah.
So we are opening Kinder Joy. Oh yes, I need to help you, I think. So we have a chocolate here and the toy here. Let me do this. What is this? What is this about? Okay, that's flying stuff. We had something similar, not exactly like that one. We'll check how it's fly, okay? Yep. We have something triangular or something here. And we're supposed to put this on each corner, I think. Okay, actually I can say the proposition of the 2 eggs and to let Sami pick one of them was from Playmax Max. Sami,
Yeah.
can you say hello to Playmax Max?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Sami can't wait now to eat this stuff. That's another egg we bought on the internet. That's what we have. It's supposed to fly. We'll check it out. Okay, let's try. But how? Yes! Now we're supposed to do this outside, and subscribe the channel. If you like our videos, Sami, check it out. Yeah. Sami, bye bye.